Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with an unboxing or a haul video from Beauty and the Bead Shop. I haven't done one from their store in so long, and it's just because I never shop on Facebook anymore, but I was looking for a specific bead, and I knew they had it, and I just kind of got so excited to start shopping through their videos because now they don't just do live shopping. They have a website, but the beads that I wanted are in their hosted events on Facebook, and I'm gonna link to everything, but I wanted specific African beads, and I'm so excited they had them. I got so many cool beads. I'm gonna leave links to everything, but I can't wait to show you. So the strand that I went there for was this one. Okay, I saw these in the store in Phoenix, all right, and I was gonna buy them, but the price was outrageous. Like, even with their 30% off, it was still outrageous. So I was like, you know what, I know Beauty and the Bead has some of these beads. I'm gonna check to see if they have the mini pink and red ones, and they did. So then that got me stuck shopping all of their videos. So you go in and they give you instructions on how to shop their videos. Some things are sold out and they have that very clear in the descriptions, but they have like 12 or 14 videos just for African glass. They have crystals, they have charms, they have pendants. It's crazy. So I really just shopped the African glass. I think I got some Z beads too. I know I'm talking a lot, but I'm so excited. So I got these pink beads, pink and red. And then I also, this one's like a double strand, got these red ones. I thought they were, oh no, I did get some orange ones too, maybe? I don't know. But I'm so excited that they turned out a little bit more red than orange, even though I've been buying a lot of orange lately. I just got a new bracelet in the mail today too, and it's this batik bone bead or bone hinge bracelet, and it matches these beads perfectly. And I was just in here looking for beads that match this, and I had some that were very close, but these match so well. So I'm gonna have to make a matching necklace for, and maybe a bracelet for this. I'm like giddy. I'm so excited. And of course, Garrett is such a sweetie. He answers any questions, gets back to you so fast. And I swear, these beads shipped to me like in 15 minutes. I swear. Like, I was claiming a million beads, and then all of a sudden they were here today. This was another strand in this smaller size. I'm going to show you some bigger sizes in this style too, but this one has like a little bit of yellow orange going on with some red. I think this must have been the orange one that I was thinking of. Anyway, I may have to go back and get more because they had other colors that I didn't get. And I don't know if they have these in the bigger size, but I would love that if they do get them. So Garrett, if you're listening, if you get these in the bigger size, let me know. But anyway, I'm so excited, so excited. And I might not be able to, like, I want to hoard these beads, but I really want to wear them too. So we're going to have for sure a tutorial using the African beads I got from them, but I don't know which ones I'm going to do in the tutorial. This is the same-ish style, but they're bigger. So they're two different sizes, and they do tell you when you're shopping their live videos, well, they're recorded videos, the sizes. They show the sizes, how many pieces are in a strand, how much they are. So it's super informational. Love these. These are just like traditional, larger African glass. They're so gorgeous. These look more rustic. I mean, they all look rustic, but these reminded me of almost like an older circus. They're red, white, and blue. They're really cool. I just love them so much. That's gonna look really great with lapis. It's gonna look really great with coral or even red jasper. Probably not coral, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Coral's gonna be a little brighter than this, but red jasper, agate, carnelian, lapis, sodalite, even like blue goldstone would go with that. Oh, that would be sparkly and fun. And then there's this strand, was just so sweet. I don't think they had turquoise. I've seen turquoise before too. So if they had turquoise, I would have gotten turquoise, but this was close enough. It's baby blue. Baby blue was one of my favorite colors when I was in high school. It's funny, like, thinking about all the different favorite colors I've had over the years, but in another video I was saying red, black, and white were my favorite color when I was like 10. And I remember this baby blue being my favorite color when I was like in 10th grade. It was a very popular color. Oh no, this one's a little busted. So, but the fun thing about this is I'm pretty sure I could just stick that on a skewer, glue it back together, and I will never know that that's broken. It happens. Glass beads break. I will say, they packaged this so phenomenally. Like, it was crazy. it was packaged with a lot of bubble wrap, and each strand was packaged individually in little baggies. So I thought that might have been something that happened, you know, before they got it, and it's hard to tell because I can't even tell which one it is. It's this one. Yeah, I'm just gonna use E6000 to glue that together. This one's the last one of that style, and again, it's the bigger size. So we have a bigger and a smaller size. I don't have my caliper in here, but like I said, on their videos, they have the sizes. So beautiful. And I went to the bead store downtown on Black Friday, or actually whatever Saturday is, Small Business Saturday, and they have these, but they're like $35 a strand. I think these are $15 a strand on Beauty and the Beads site. So half what you would pay at a retail store, which is amazing. And they're cheaper also than Etsy, because I was looking on Etsy and then I was like, hey, let me check Garrett first. And then I was like, yeah, they're less expensive. So I was going to buy these beads no matter what, but I was happy to find this deal. All right, so then we have different styles of African beads, but those were the main ones that I was after. These I got because I'm obsessed with yellow, and they're so beautiful. He had two different color yellows, but I like this one. It's a little more golden. I think he said that the other one's a little more green yellow, although I'll take anything. And then they go really, really well with these. They're going to go well with these. So beautiful. I love that pattern. They're so pretty. Next, this style, I was eyeballing these on Etsy. Thankfully, I saw them at Garrett's shop because they were cheaper again at Garrett's. I want to say these were again $15. I'm not 100% sure. All of the beads I think that I saw were like this style were anywhere from 15 to 18. So, but I saw these on Etsy. They were more expensive on Etsy for the same amount. Actually, I think I got more from Garrett than I would have gotten on Etsy. And they're so pretty. I wanted something that had pink and red. So I got these because my friend Julie influenced me by making a pink and red necklace. So I need now a pink and red necklace. And then I got that style in two more colors. Black, white, red. Again, one of my favorite color combos when I was younger. So I thought these just looked amazing. I love the starkness of that white against the black. And then I got them in turquoise or a teal or whatever we want to call this because they're so stinking beautiful. And that looks really good with the yellow. This looks like, oh my gosh, you know those mints with like the snow caps, but they're mints? This is like that color combo that you would see with that candy. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then I claimed this strand. I have this strand actually from Garrett in a couple other colors. I think I have it actually in pink and red. But I didn't have this baby blue with the red, which I thought was amazing. Super vibrant, just so gorgeous. I don't know, these are beads that I like love hoarding, but I'm absolutely going to be making a tutorial from them. I got some Z beads. In 8mm. So I got one really like grungy, orangey set. I really liked how grungy these were. They had some really cool green ones, but I already had that color, so I didn't spring for more. And I liked how rustic-y these were too. These are more green, but the ones that I saw that I didn't get were more, they weren't cracked or crackled like that. Just thought these are so cool. These would be a really good masculine bracelet, necklace. I think a knotted piece with these with leather would be amazing. Yummy. Okay. And then I got these bone beads. I don't know if I have them. I really don't know if I have them, but these were, I think, $9 for this strand, which is comparable to what you'd see either on, actually Etsy is usually like $10. So these were $9. But such a cool strand. They're batik bone. So they dye these beads, but they usually use wax to block off the part that stays white. And that's what happened on my bracelet too. So love that. Love it. Like I said, I have this chiclet style, but I don't think I have the one with the stars on it. And then they sent me two of these because I didn't claim any in this shape or this look. And I'm so happy they included them because they're gorgeous. I've seen these in the stores too. Super expensive in the stores. I know they have them in several colors. It's a beautiful darker blue. This is going to go really well with these. And they have nice, like, almost coppery, glittery feather strokes on them. So beautiful. And then I got a set in red too. I feel like the serotonin is serotonining right now because these are so beautiful. They make me so happy. And then he sent me something that said happy late birthday, which is so sweet. My birthday was at the middle of last month. And it's a pendant. And I want to say that's purple labradorite. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to plan something around this. I don't know that I would use it with any of these beads except for maybe the agate, but again, that purple flash, when I turn it, it looks like a neon light. That's so cool. And then these are something that I'll be doing a separate tutorial on. These are called Easy Crimps, and I think we're about to have our lives changed. I think I bought some of these from somebody, but I haven't used them. But I got every single color that Beauty and the Bead offers, and we're going to be doing a tutorial about how to use these. I think those of you who struggle with crimping are really going to enjoy these, and they come in so many colors. So we have, I'll spill out just one color because I don't want to drop them on the floor like we know I will. This is Antique Copper, and I'm going to do a demo video just for these, and then we'll make a bracelet within that demo or a necklace or whatever. But really all you do is put your stringing wire through here and punch down the little stick on the side, and it crimps your pendant or crimps your project. It's not, you don't have to think about it. So I'm excited to show that to you guys too. I don't know when that's going to come out. It's probably going to be very soon, but oh my goodness. So we have Antique Copper, we have Gunmetal, we have Rose Gold or a regular copper, bright shiny copper. And I'm not sure the different finishes on these. There are 3 different silvers, and then we have a gold. But he does a really great job of explaining how much they are, what colors they are, and they have a demo video as well on their Facebook page. So I'll link to that in this description, but we will have a separate tutorial as well. Yeah, I'm so excited. Check out Beauty and the Bead. I'll put all the links for these African videos in the link to this description of this video. And I'll also link to their Facebook page so you can watch their live shows and their website. Let me know if you have any questions. Tell me if you have a specific set of beads here that you want to see me use, because I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Oh gosh, I'm just seeing these 2 together. Those are gorgeous. We've got this red too. Those are really gorgeous together with goes with my bracelet. And some brass, because there's brass in my bracelet. We might be making a necklace with that. I'm so excited. So let me know what you want to see. Let me know if you shopped with them before. I have nothing but great things to say because, first of all, they're great people. Second of all, they have great products. And third of all, I'm like so excited about all these African beads. Like, look at that picture. Maybe this will be the video picture, the thumbnail, if I can get all of the beads in here. Oh my gosh, so yummy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute, and I'm looking forward to the upcoming tutorial. Bye-bye.
Have you been surgically attached to me? Because it feels like it. Every time I look around, there's Goldie. All up in my business. Oh, getting even closer. Let me scoot right